Corro por la mía, no por la tuya. Dejo que fluya, nadie me puya ni con mi trulla. Me paso por bicho toda la patrulla. Me paso por bicho la mujer tuya. Roncas con corta ni que son tuyas. Roncas con torta la mujer tuya. Yo te doy clase de cómo se hace, cabrón estudia, cabrón estudia. En cada canto tengo mi loco, cabrón yo canto, pero soy loco. La corte en la frente te la coloca, mientras a tu gata se lo coloco. Corta la boca lo que se puta, que aquí sobrevive el de mente astuta. Y si respira después que te me vira, te pillamos en guira con fuerza bruta. Tu ficha no la veo ni con lupa, no hablé de pistola si no la ocupa. Lo mío la foris y la ejecutan, libran de la yuta mientras YouTube playa mi gata guapa de pana lo chupa. Sigo siendo humilde pero ahora con más lugar, no güey no quiere la foria en la nuca, pa' que te cague con confeti, mientras con lo mío haciendo feti. Pa' que hablas de mí si yo no hablo de ti, hasta pillo ahora por chismas de MX. Me va bien porque no me equivoqué, como cámara yo me enfoqué. Salud pa' mi pana y lo bloqueé, a veces to quality chorona con mi entera original Gucci con.
Alright guys, what's going on? How's everyone doing? How's everyone feeling? I hope everyone's having a great day. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys for being here. You guys are absolute ghosts. Today is going to be a clean trade. That's all I'm looking for. Clean breakout. I know that you guys are here to catch it with me, so I appreciate all the support. And we're gonna absolutely kill it, guys. It's not gonna be difficult. We just gotta wait, be patient for our setup, and that's it, guys. That is literally it. Okay, so okay, take that off because that shit is not accurate. But I really appreciate all the support you guys showed me, guys. I'm actually gonna turn off this I think I have to turn off this vertical stream, bro, because the nightbot's in there, bro, and I want the nightbot in this chat. Let me see what I can do here. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and get started here. I want to break down the charts here really quick just so we are ready for when the market does open up, and then we go from there. Okay, so we just got to be patient and wait and see what's gonna happen. Okay, let me go here. Okay, all right, so we'll just do this. Okay, so first thing I see here is we're in a range, but it's a small range on NAS 100. We are currently kind of going bearish here on the 15-minute time frame. So if I do want to take buys, we do need this area here to break. If we do break, then we'll get a push to the upside that looks pretty nice to maybe match this move over here. But not a lot of volume today is what I'm noticing. So we do have to be patient and wait and see what the market needs to do. Do you guys think NAS 100 is gonna break out or fake out today? What do you guys think? Put a 1 in the chat if you guys think NAS 100 is gonna break out. Put a 2 in the chat if you think it's gonna fake out, chat. Don't forget gold. Yeah, we'll take a look at gold ASAP, guys. ASAP. We still got about 12 minutes here for market to open up, so then we'll be fine. Okay, guys. So no need to worry. All right. You guys think it's gonna break out? Okay, I think so too. I think we can get a clean breakout, but we're not gonna tell the market what to do. We're just gonna wait and be patient and see what it does and react to what it does. Okay. So these are my levels here. If you guys want to mark up the same levels, honestly, targets are kind of weird here. Let's look at the higher time frames here. and then kind of see where we can potentially mark it up at. I like this zone just because we are getting reactions over here. So I do want to see a break of that zone, and then we could possibly, how big is this range right here? This range is about 86 pips. So we could probably get a 50 pips scalp there. So we'll see what happens, chat. We just got to see what happens. I do not want to enter late on this move though, so definitely something I want to keep in mind, just because if we do enter late, then we don't have a lot of range to the downside, but potentially we can come down to test this area here, which then we do have a pretty big range at that point to push down about 240 points. But the only resistance we might have to get down to that level is this area right over here, which is about 80 pips away, but we will most likely have our stops to break even at that point, so that is a plus. Okay, so we just have to be patient. I don't like this song, so I'm skipping it. But yeah, breakout, yeah, I think so, breakout too. If you guys do want to participate in today's giveaway, just read the description down below. I'll be picking from all the signups there, okay? Okay, so guys, one thing that I wanted to mention is yesterday we caught a freaking beautiful trade on US30, but it's because we were patient, guys. We were very, very patient. It was this trade right over here. Very clean trade. We did not take this one. Very clean trade. You know, we were breaking out, looking like clean buys, but price decided to retrace. But what did we do, guys? We just pulled back for a fib. If you guys notice, this Fibonacci coming from this area to this area. Grab a fib, stretch it out, and you're getting a beautiful 5618 golden zone rejection to then get you a nice push to the upside. So that's one thing I wanted to mention. I think that overall the trade was beautiful. We did catch a breakout zone, but the market did dump. So that's something to keep in mind going around this area, because if you guys notice, once we hit this zone over here, we start to reject and retrace. So let's go over here and let's go to the 4-hour time frame and start drawing up our zones here. So why are we rejecting at this area is something I like to ask myself. I'll constantly ask yourself why, and then find reasons to why the market is doing that. I think that's what's going to help you guys really understand the markets. So always ask yourself why, guys. Right here, we got this area right over here. Potentially we could push down and touch into this area over here. But in this range is kind of choppy, guys. So honestly, waiting for US30 to get out of this range would be ideal. But we could possibly catch something on the 30-minute or even lower time frames that gives us some nice confirmation. So let me go ahead and move this zone just a little bit down just to get these wicks and these body closures. I don't want anything else other than the body closures out of my zones. Okay, so clearly that's going to be the zone that we're most likely targeting right now, but it's pre-market, guys, so we're not going to do anything until about 8 minutes. So right now I'm just finding my setups that we can possibly catch for pre-market and then go from there. What pair are you guys gonna trade today? What's the cleanest pair for you guys today, guys? Yo, didn't receive funded account yesterday. What was your email, bro? I don't know if I picked you. No breakout, no entry. Facts. I mean, this is a pretty clean breakout that's happening right now, but it's already gone, you know? We do have to be patient and wait for that to come to us. We can't just force it, guys. We cannot force it, guys. What's gonna happen today, chat? What's gonna happen today? What's your guys' favorite pair for today? Find your guys' trending market and stick to that. That's where you're gonna get a clean move. Look, now we're getting pre-market fake out here. So we don't want to get caught in something like that. But now we do have a zone that we need to break in order to execute our position, which is nice. Guys, remember, you're never really going to miss a move because there's so many freaking moves out there, okay? So don't be freaking worried. Just wait and be patient. If you miss your one move, there's many other moves to take, okay? I like US30. US30 is breaking out right now, and I do like NAS. But the only problem with NAS is that we are very choppy. Right, we're very choppy, faking out highs, faking out sellers, buyers. So we got to be careful here. But I do like sells below this area here. Volume is kind of dead though, so we'll see when the market opens. If the volume does decide to pick up, we'll definitely look to take a position after that. After the market decides to either sell off or whatever the case is. If you guys do want to be a part of the giveaway, make sure you guys are checking the description down below. That's how we're going to be able to pick you guys as a winner. Yesterday was a shit show trying to get your guys' emails. So we're switching it up here today, okay? We are switching it up here today. Guys, would you guys short this if we break this low? But I want to try if you guys would short this if we break this low. Put a 1 in the chat if you guys will short this if it breaks a low, chat. Put a 1 in the chat if you guys will short this if it breaks a low. Silver just melted. I'm so happy with my trade analysis. Nice, bro. Let's take a look at silver, guys. For my brother here. We still got about... Wow. Wow, this is a massive dump. US, XAG, sorry. XAG. Silver here. Clean breakout, guys. Very clean breakout. What made you take that trade, bro? Give us your confirmations. You'll help somebody out in the chat. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Gold. I'll take a look at gold right now. I noticed gold earlier. It was very choppy, so... BTC dollar. I'll definitely take a look at BTC. Okay, so... Let's find some setups here, though, really quick. Okay, so NAS. NAS is looking like it does want to sell off here. We are at a pretty strong level here. If we do break, we should get a massive push to the downside. But we do have to understand that this rally, right? It's a bullish rally. This could just be the retracement to then maybe start pushing up again. But that doesn't mean we can't catch 50 pips to the downside, right? So we just got to wait and see what NAS 100 wants to do and then go from there, okay? Now let's take a look at, guys, if you guys want me to look at your tickers, make sure that you guys are putting it in the chat. We gotta wait for this market to open though. Bro, do you trade gold? Yes, I trade gold. Let's take a look at gold, guys. Okay, everything is just melting here. So we just gotta wait, bro. If gold is melting before session, we just gotta wait. I wonder what's happening here. Is the DXY flying? Let's take a look at DXY. Yep, DXY is flying. DXY looks like it wants to get a little bit stronger here today. Maybe come up and break this high here, which will then send everything freaking dumping. So shorts are looking good there. Shorts are looking good here. Especially with that DXY correlation. Should be able to get a pretty nice move here. Somebody wanted me to check out BTC. Let's take a look at BTC here. So BTC, we do have this structure point here. Let's look at it on the bigger time frames though, just to make sure that that is an actual zone. It's not. It is an actual freaking zone. So we do have this resistance here. I kind of don't like that this is kind of down here, so I'll move this zone all the way down here. Try to see if it still correlates with some zones. I like this zone here. Notice all these reactions, right? You're getting reaction here, 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 reaction here. That's telling you that if the market does decide to push below that zone, you could potentially get a massive reaction to the downside, okay? Now, with BTC, you do have to be careful because you can get these crazy moves out of nowhere, okay? So make sure you guys always have your stop loss set on BTC and being smart with your capital. You know, you always want to protect your capital, guys. Protect your capital. Protect your capital. So somebody's saying to buy NAS. Do you guys agree with him, chat? Put a 1 in chat if you guys agree with the buy NAS comments. Put a 2 in the chat if you don't agree. W, let's go. Let's analyze bleeding. I'm not opposed to the buys if we stay above this zone here. Definitely looking like it wants to buy up, but 2. Yeah, okay, Patty, okay. USD JPY. BTC is sure crazy. We gotta see, guys, because at the end of the day, we are breaking lows here. And we are creating lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. So until we really get a higher high, there's really no reason to buy. My personal opinion, okay? In my personal opinion. In my personal opinion. Who won yesterday, chat? Put a W in the chat if you guys won. Put an L in the chat if you guys lost. Put a BE in the chat if you guys got break even yesterday. Break even's a winning day. A winning day is a winning day. That's how you guys gotta look at it, man. If you were able to get off the charts after closing your position and break even, bro, you guys are better than 98% of all traders. Seriously. L, what'd you take, Wilfred? What'd you take? What'd you take, Zix? All right, market's open here, chat. Market's open. Market is open here, chat. Market's open. We are ready to trade. Okay, we just got to be patient and wait and see what happens here. Let's see. Volume is still very, very low here, guys. Not getting a lot of volume here. Now we're picking up here now. We broke the highs, but we aren't staying above it here, chat. If we do sell off now, it looks so freaking clean. Gotta put giveaway in the title to watch views go up. You think so? Alright, let's see if your theory is right, bro. I also don't just want, like, you know, people coming just for the giveaways. You know what I mean? I want people to come who want to actually learn how to trade and shit. But we'll give it a shot. Alright. Might miss this trade here, guys. If we break this high, I'm going to get in this position, okay, guys? Shit. No, I don't want to get in too late, guys. You know what's weird? US30's dumping here, bro. US30's dumping here, bro. I'm hoping this 5-minute candle closes above here and then we could get maybe like a wick to the downside. That would be nice. But we might miss this trade, guys. We might miss this trade. Might miss this trade, chat. We gotta wait, guys. Like, NAS 100 is pumping and US30 is dumping here. It's kind of throwing me off, to be honest. Okay, 5-minute candle did close, or 3-minute candle closed. We got about 1 minute here for this candle here to close. I want to see a massive retracement here, and then I can maybe catch a candle flip. But we are very high in the range now. Nah, bro. I know you, bro. I know, bro. You a great teacher. I just remember yesterday I had 100. I think you watched this. Yeah. Yeah, it's because I gave away 20 accounts, bro. That shit was nutty. But I want to try if you guys received your account. W's. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yo, this shit flying and US30 bleeding. I know, it's so weird. Okay, 5 minutes looking like it wants to close. We can maybe even go for a wick fill if we do get a... I just want my stop loss underneath this level here, bro. Long day without you, my friend. When I see you again. I did one. I did after like 10 hours. Oh shit. Sorry, bro. But as long as you got it, right? You're the best, bro. Thank you. No, you're the best. WW. US 30 sales made 2%. Woo! Let's go, Patty. Love to hear that. Love to hear that, Patty. We need a wick to the downside here, and I might take a candle flip here. Get ready here, guys. I'm in. Oh. We gotta stay above this zone, guys. When I see you again. There we go. There we go. There we go. TP1 smash. TP1 smash holding a bit here. Getting out. There we go. There we go. Easy, chat. Easy. W's, 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 W's. W's, 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 W's. Just another day, chat. Just another day. Who caught that breakout, chat? Who caught that breakout? Who caught that breakout? Who caught that breakout? Easy. Easy, chat. Easy. I was thinking about holding it, but I'll take my 50 points today. But easy, guys. Easy money there. Easy money. Woo! TP2 is about to hit here, guys. TP2, TP2. TP2, guys. TP2. Sheesh. TP2 smashed, guys. TP2 fucking smashed. I caught it with you. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Now we can probably look to catch. I want to see US 30, bro. NAS 100 was the move today, guys. NAS 100 was the move, champ. What a beauty. What a beauty. What is your lot size, bro? 12 lots. 12 lots on US 30. Man, I was long before you were born. Hey, I love that, bro. I love that. You were long down here, bro. Yo, Zix is wild, and he was actually long down here, chat. He was actually long down here. Easy, bro. Easy money. Okay. Damn, bro. I wish I could catch a trade on gold here, bro. Gold is just shitting itself, man. Bro, how much was the challenge account? I think it's like a 10K. I give away 20 accounts, guys. You can't expect me to give 20 100K accounts, you know? How is your bot nowadays? Chart, I've been following you. Dude, it's still doing pretty well. Alright. Alright, guys. Okay. I want to see a... bro, we making money together. It's amazing, like back in the day. Facts. US30, you caught this dump on US30. Did you execute? Where'd you execute? Right here? There you go, guys. Easy money. In fly with my baby, yeah. US30 sells? We gotta see where this... I know. It does look nice. We're retesting this structure here. Maybe if we break this low, we can continue those sells to the downside. Do we take it? Patience, shot, patience. Do we take it? Do we take it, Chad? Do we take it? Let's see, we're in this. I'm risking only half of what we made. Well, I actually don't know how much we're risking. Half of what we made on the last trade, so I'm only risking 2,500 here, guys. Bro, really? Bleed, bitch. Fill in this wick. That's what I'm looking for. A wick fill, guys. Wick fill. Wick fill, chat. Wick fill. It has a gap? What gap? This gap? I don't trade gaps though, bro. I gotta stick to my strategy here, okay? We're only risking half of what I made on the last trade, guys. Actually, I might enter more here. Oh fuck, my profits aren't even on the screen. Hey, what happened to my shit here, bro? Okay, oh, getting out, getting out, getting out, getting out. Boom! Let's go. Let's go, chat. I'm done. Maybe we'll look for another trade. We're gonna look for another trade, chat. We're gonna look for another trade. Caught about 50 pips there, 50 points, another winner. What a fucking beauty. I didn't have the balls. Put a one in the chat if you guys caught that with me, chat. Put a one in the chat if you guys caught that with me. Put a one in the chat if you guys caught that with me, chat. This is gonna rip, dude. I'm already fully out, though. Fully out. Bro, I don't know why my profit shit wasn't working, chat. That's not good, dude. Like, why is it not working, bro? That fucked up my entire clip, chat. Like, why? Why are you doing this right now? There we go. Bitch. A little late there, buddy, but you're there now. What a banger trade that was, chat. You guys like that trade? Put a one in the chat if you guys fuck with that trade, chat. Bro, like, what is up with this screen? My bad, guys. I'm trying to fix this here. What a banger, chat. Watchers coming up. Come on, y'all. Like the stream. Yo, facts. Like the stream, chat. Like the stream. Like, why did it just mess up my entire flow like that, bro? Like, I had to manage the position, so I really didn't care, but... Dude, don't do this again, Streamlabs. Crazy work, man. Alright. US30 was a banger. What are you guys thinking now? I'm gonna take a trade that... I have money to play with now, chat. Hit about 2.8% today. Oh no, that's a different day. That was a different day. How much did I make today? Pro game, no gimmicks. Easy, guys. Winner US30. Alright, we got some money to play with here, chat. What do you guys want me to trade? What do you guys want me to trade, chat? Look at that beautiful exit, bro. Oh my god. Beauty. Okay, guys, this might be selling up for some later market sells here. Okay, I don't know what the hell this is showing you guys, but... Bro, why? Why is it gone again, bro? So now, this next trade, guys, I'm going to risk what we made on the last trade, which was 2,500. 2,500 I risked on the last trade, right, guys? So now I'm only going to risk half of what I made on the last trade. So I'm only going to risk $1,250 on whatever trade I take. So worst case scenario, I'm going to be up 6K on the day. That's a pretty good day to me, if you ask me. So everybody, just follow me. I need a little controversy because it feels so empty without me. Like, what the fuck is going on here, bro? Guys, my whole entire stream is fucking up right now. Hold on. Give me 1 second. We can't hear the music? I know. It's just I don't want to go in and out again like yesterday. Printing money, yes sir. XIG USD. Are we gonna take our first trade on XIG? What the fuck is this? Testing, please. XIG is wild, and I'd rather just trade gold, bro. It's the same shit. Without me, bro. If I buy an instant account of 200K, how long would it take for me to withdraw? It depends. If you get the 7-day withdrawal, you can get paid in 7 days. Make sure you guys use code dollar. Use code dollar. What's up, dollar? Did I win an account yesterday? Still haven't received it. Not sure, bro. I am not sure. What was your email? Like the beginning of it. And disgusting. Oh yeah, they didn't send that one. They had a question, so I'm gonna send it right now. We gotta wait now, chat. We gotta wait. I'm gonna trade again. Put a 1 in the chat if you guys won with me. Put a W in the chat if you guys won with me. Up today, I win an account. Been very active, but just watching. Ain't trading so bad. Hey, you good, bro? It's all good. Thanks, bro. Remembers got good memory. Dollar. You mentioned my name, but I didn't see any email. No, I never mentioned your name, bro. But maybe today. You guys just have to check the description, and I will try to get you guys an account. Chat, was this setup A+? What would you guys rate this setup? I don't know if I like this setup, to be honest. But what would you guys rate it? Read my texts? I'm not on my phone right now, bro. A gamble, but she wasn't a gamble, bro. I know it was definitely risky, bro. But I just saw, this is what I saw, bro. We had to react at this level here before going up, you know? So since we reacted at this level here, I could easily then execute, boom, catch a little bit of retracement, and then if it didn't want to continue, I'm still going to catch a little bit of retracement, you know? That was like my idea behind it. But hey, it played out, so I can't be upset about it. Shit, I'm trying to win a backup just in case. Fuck, so I went ahead and got the broker. Yeah, bro, the broker. The broker has 0 rules, bro. So I think that's definitely a plus for people who are struggling with prop firms, bro. Definitely deposit in the broker. You're gonna get 150% deposit bonus. So imagine, you guys are gonna do good. You guys are gonna do good. Man, Dax was buying the 55. Let's see Dax. Oh yeah. Definitely, bro. Would you draw here or here? I guess you can draw from the beginning of the move. I didn't notice I was on the 3-minute. Yeah, that's clean ass fucking fib. Because this is one of my favorite setups, guys. You know why? Because look at this. You get this area here. Right here. You got this zone right here. See that? So it's a Fibonacci retracement, 5618 rejection with a break and retest of previous highs. It's fucking beautiful. Like, this shit's like 90% win rate. A simple but effective strategy, facts. Up 279 for this day. Should I take another trade? Guys, if you guys don't know how to trade my strategy, bro, like, it's gonna be very hard. It's very consistent. It's very simple to do every single day. Like, look, this is a trade I called for you guys yesterday. I didn't take it, but definitely called it. Definitely fucking called it. You guys, we gotta wait though. US 30 came all the way back up. Is gold gonna come all the way back up? Liquidated these lows. This is like some SMC trade right here, chat. We gotta come back down to our fair value gap. Where's our fair value gap here? Is it this? Is this the fair value gap, chat? But I want to chat you guys, this is the fair value gap, chat. Yesterday, I won thanks to Dollar. I got an email and clicked on platform. It took me to FHX, 10K challenge count, so I assume the right one. It's the right one, but I don't see it funded here. Yeah. So you got an MT5 account. That's the right one, bro. We use FHX servers for MT5. Yes, that's the one. Yes, sir. I think so. Okay. If we come back here, I'm gonna fucking buy. If we don't, it's cooked. We just gotta wait, chat. I'm not gonna force anything. I'm gonna be here for another 2 hours, chat. 2 hours, bro. So we got time, bro. We got time to catch another trade. We just gotta be patient. And now, guess what, guys? We're only 24 minutes into session, and we have $7,500 to trade with. $7,496 to trade with. So let's just be patient and wait for the next setup. What a great day, yeah. I'm not done though. I want to risk 1,250 on my next trade. So I'm looking at potentially this trade here. Buys above these highs here. You guys think this is gonna play out? Ew. I mean, TP1 will be this high here, which I do like that. Just tell him your problem, LMAO, dollar. What's up, brother? What's up, dude? What's up, Omar? Can I use a prepaid card, bro? Yeah. For what? For what? Broker or prop firm? I believe we don't have. FHX doesn't have FHX doesn't have a broker credit card deposits right now, but speaking about the broker, click that link. It doesn't have credit card deposits just yet, but we are getting wire deposits and credit card deposits probably in the next 2 weeks. So make sure you guys check that out. Damn, we're rejecting our Ichimoku, bro. I'm waiting for these sells here, bro. I wouldn't be surprised if the markets want to sell off after this rally. Start to sell off. I'm waiting for these sells, these buys, chat. That's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for, chat. If you guys haven't hit that sub button, make sure you guys are hitting the sub button, chat. Make sure you guys are hitting the sub button, chat. We might retest. Might retest what? What are you talking about? Rich Werewolf, just so I know. Gold, bro. Gold is just fucking playing with people's feelings. Oh, US30 is playing with people's feelings today. I know some people probably held this shit. Prepaid card for paying. Yeah, I believe you can, bro. Just give it a shot and see if it works. What is it? Like a Visa prepaid card? Like, what brand is it? I know you said you pretty private. Do a vlog one day, maybe when you and the bros take a Miami trip. Bro, we have so much content that I just don't post. It's actually pretty crazy. Ever since my kid, I had my kids, bro. I just feel like being more private's a little bit better. But I can definitely do something like that for you. Love motivation, yes sir. Yeah, Visa card. So you should be fine, bro. Sir Art, is it normal if you set pending orders in weekends and market did not hit your stop loss, which made me lose 4%? Is it normal? So yeah, dude, like, that's on you, bro. Like, you shouldn't. That's why you shouldn't fucking, especially set pending orders on the weekend, bro. You get slipped up the ass, bro. It's regular market conditions, you know. That happens to anyone on any platform. I definitely understand, yes, sir. it will also give a impulses upside movement. Arturo, can I talk to you in Telegram on private? Yes. Just text me right now. I'll be on it right now. Let's smoke. Well, we had a deal of buy one get one, 200k, and gift. You guys want that deal? I can give you a buy one get one, but remember the get one is a giveaway account, so it's not like completely buy one get one. But yes, I can get you one. Price moving choppy. Yeah, we gotta wait for it to chill out. Potentially, I think if we break this level, bro, we're gonna flush. If we break this high, we're gonna pop. So that's all I'm waiting for here. To risk my 1.2k and then call it a day after that. Wow, this is looking nice here, bro. Ah, that's a bullish engulfing candle, bro. Not even at a I guess we reacted here, but I don't like it. For gold, damn, we closed in the range on the 15-minute time frame twice, guys. You guys think this is a fake out? Get ready here, chat. I feel like we're about to flush. Get ready here, chat. Get ready here, chat. Make sure you got your NDX, NASDAQ, lot size ready, stop loss ready, everything ready. So I took 12 lots on my first trade, 6 lots on my second trade, and now I'm throwing 3 lots. If you can answer, let me take a look. Is it important? Chat, you put a 1 in the chat if you guys think it's important. Put a 2 in the chat if you guys think it's not important. I don't see your text, bro. Are you Samuel? I'll take a look at it, bro. I'll take a look at it. But we have a third party managing all that. But I'll definitely take a look at it for you, okay? Give you an update by the end, once I get off stream. Can we pick this conversation online? What conversation, brother? I think US 30 gonna pump. A1 credit. Is that feeling me? Love you, brother. W's. Put W's in the chat. WMT5 trader. Yo, facts. Look, just in case people think I'm not trading on MT5, I am trading on MT5. On FHX markets, guys. FHX markets. FHX is about to get Trade Locker too. So for my Trade Lock traders out there. For all my Trade Locker traders. About prop firm thing. What, the prepaid card? Yeah, bro, you could use a prepaid card. I'm as well. Guys, get ready here. And I love all my bitches. We got a lot of volume here on NAS 100 today, guys. We're not getting directional volume, but we are getting a lot of traders. Big moves, big moves. Like, dude, just look at this, chat. This candle right here. This one candle right here, 127 pips. 5-minute candle. This candle right here, 149 pips. This candle right here, also 100 plus 100 pips. Looking good, chat. Looking good for these sells. We just got to break, wait 10 to 30 seconds, execute. Oh yeah, bro. Of course, I can. Anyone who buys an account right now using code $, I will send you guys another account. But you guys have to buy on stream, chat. So you guys have about an hour and 30 minutes left, guys. An hour and 30 minutes left to buy a challenge right now, and I'm gonna send you an extra account, okay? Use code $, just so I can see your order, and then I can send you those accounts, okay? Use code $. Anyone who buys any size account, chat, I will send you another account on top of that. The same size, chat. Any size account. If you get a 200K, that means you get 400K in funding. If you get a 50K, you get 50K in funding. If you get a 25K, you get another 50K in funding. If you get 50K, you get 100K in funding. Who else? Put a 1 in chat if you guys fuck with that. Good idea? Yo, facts. Thank you, Wilfred. Great marketing, brother. Where are you streaming? I'm streaming on YouTube. Streaming on YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, everything. Any size. Wow, guys. Who's using Trade Locker bot? Share code, please. Lols. Code $, chat. We have MT5 and Trade Locker, guys. MT5 and Trade Locker, guys. Guys, what platform do you guys want to see on FundedHero Futures? Get your accounts ready here, chat. What platform do you guys want to see on FundedHero Futures? Right now we have DX feed. I'm not a big fan, but it is a good it gets the job done. Dude, this is what fucking scares me, bro. Getting a lot of volume here, chat. A lot of volume here. Could we get a push? I got my trigger figure ready, though. Let's see, guys. Unforgettable. Are you in yet? No, I'm not in. You guys will hear my MT5 go off. And then you guys will see my profit. You see the profit like over here? You see that? Or like over here? Right here? Right here? You guys will see that start moving, chat. Transparency, guys. Transparency. Transparency is key. Alright. Getting a small push here. Let's break the low here. And let's stay below. Break the low and stay below. We're not in just yet, guys. Be patient. Shit. Are you gonna leave me? Oh, it's gonna leave me, chat. Oh my god, it left me. Okay. Get ready. Break that low, I'm in. Remember, guys, we're only risking nothing, pretty much. We're waiting, chat. We're waiting. Just following our plan here, chat. Following our plan. Question. I'm doing a challenge right now with FundedHero. Can I switch platforms? Not sure. I think you have to buy another challenge, bro. Get ready here, chat. Not in yet. God, I would love for this 5 minute here to close right here and then come up, retest this level here, and then break the lows, bro. That would be beautiful. But if I wait for that, I might miss the move, chat. Patience, chat, patience. Patience, chat, patience. Patience, chat, patience. Ten seconds for this candle here to close. Patience, chat, patience. Give me the loot. Patience, chat. Waiting, waiting, waiting. Patience, guys. Patience will pay. This is what I wanted to see. This is exactly what I wanted to see. Now we come down to break the lows. When we break the lows, I'm in that bitch. I'm in that, okay? When we come down and break the lows, this is beautiful. Retesting. Retesting, rejecting. This is exactly what we want to see, chat. Get ready here, chat. We're in. Uh-oh. Was it ready, chat? Or was it not ready? It's this level, bro. This level's being gay. I'll let you guys know when I'm out. Well, you guys will see it on my screen. I guess it wasn't a true retest. Might have to get out here. Might get out when we break this high, though. About a 59 points. 59 point stop, guys. So I'm going to go for 59 points. As long as we stay below this level, we should be good. But as soon as we break that high, guys, I'm done, okay? Come on, baby. Just give me a nice volume push here. Dude, I think my TP is below. Fuck. All the fucking SMC traders are like, liquidity grab. You might get out here. That shit wetty like I'm shit. We just needed to re-break this low, bro. I don't think it was ready on that one, though. It wasn't ready here. It's just that level. That level has a lot of buyers. But we'll see if we can get a nice push, huh? We will see if we get a nice push breaking those buyers. Cracking those buyers, you know? I'm gonna vote. Lose? Okay, yeah, I might lose. It's okay, bro. We're up as fuck on the day, man. We've already won. Okay, there we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. There we go, there we go, there we go. That level, bro, guys, that level is fucking being gay to us right now. Volume, though, volume, chat, volume. Volume, though, chat. That's all we need right now. Did drop a lot already, though. Follow risk management. Yeah, facts. Bro, look at my risk, guys. You guys saw my risk on the first trade. Now you're seeing my risk now. Like, all right, original TPs have hit, so move your stops to break even here, chat. Risk free. Risk free, chat. All right, we're pushing, guys. We're pushing. We're pushing. Let us get a quick TP here. Why is it not letting me close my shit? Bro. All right, I'm closing right there, guys. Easy. Easy. W's. W's. It's because my original TP was right here, guys. So I was like, okay, it's 1 pip away from this TP. I'm just going to fucking get the fuck out. That's the reasoning for that closure. Easy, bro. Easy. Easy, guys. You guys have watched me go 3-0 today, chat. How many pips is that? 56. 56 points. Okay, guys, so now look at this. We won on these buys. Won on these sells. TP smash, guys. TP smash. It was 59 pips. Easy, guys. This is gonna run, chat. 100 pips. 100 points, chat. Great trader. Thank you, man. Good at seeing buys. Dollar, you are good, bro. Thank you, man. Appreciate that. W's in the chat. W's in the chat. We still got hella time here, chat. We still got about an hour left of the stream. So we're gonna look for more setups, chat. More setups. I tried to close partials, bro, but my shit was acting up. All right, well, look, this is how it looks. So we caught these buys, caught these sells, buys, sells. Then we went to US 30. And then we did this right here. Bro, we killed it today. W day. W day in the chat. W day. W day. W day. Winners are grinners. Bro, I've made $71 from your trades today, man. Let's go, Emmanuel. Fucking go. Hey, my giveaway account is 3% in drawdown, but rules say 5%. Still good? Yeah. You guys are good. What are they? It's the same rules in terms of drawdown and stuff like that. The only thing is that you can't just get a massive payout. That's all it is. That's all it restricts you. But yeah, guys. Who won with me today, chat? Who won with me today? Who won with me today, chat? Put a 1 in the chat. I'm looking for another trade though, guys. We're not done. Alright, you guys. Why does my phone always do that? Alright, you guys can't say I didn't freaking warn you. You guys should have been on stream because you guys missed out on a NAS 100 56 point banger. We're running to TP2 right now. NAS 100 100 pip banger, catching these buys right here, these sells right here. We catch it up, we catch it down, don't freaking matter. US 30, we caught this sell right over here. Once this candle here, this candle was open, came up, retested this structure point, came back down, we started to break the lows, execution, quick, 50 point banger. 3 for 3 on stream today. Nobody does it like me. Everybody sits on stream, scared to take a position. Take your fucking trades, 3 for 3, simple. You guys can't say I didn't freaking warn you. You guys should have been on stream because you guys want a NAS 100 56. Is that not true, chat? Is that not true, chat? Is that not true, chat? Caught an absolute freaking banger, bro. Now we're running to TP2 here, guys. Most likely going to come down to the zone I was talking to you guys about. You guys think it'll come down here, chat? Boom, boom, boom. Kicking ass, 1 facts. We're 4 for 4 for the comeback streams, guys. Won 1 trade yesterday. I called the second one that actually won on GJ, which was this trade right here, but I didn't take it. But we're not gonna count that. We only count trades that we execute on. So we're 4 for 4 though. So look, TP2 smashed, guys. TP2 fucking smashed on this shit, chat. Put a 1 in the chat if you guys held. Put a 2 in the chat if you guys pulled out when I pulled out. TP2 hit, bro. TP2 hit, chat. Come on, man. Easy money, bro. Easy money. Gold on a pullback. Facts. TP1 hit. Let's go. Let's go. Alright. Shout out to the people who took out with me. I appreciate y'all. Make me feel a little bit better about not holding. Next TP should be over here, guys. No point in taking partials over here. Just hold that shit all the way down here. Wow, what a beautiful range. Guys, we broke this down at the beginning of stream. Told you guys that this was the level that we were looking at. We were prepared for these buys, though. Once the buyers came in, we waited for this candle here to close, really. And then on the 3-minute time frame, waited for that candle to flip. And we executed based off that. Very clean trade, easy money. So this one eventually ran to 100 points though. So guys, there's no reason for you guys not to be in profit. Okay, no reason for you guys not to be in profit. You guys will see it all. You guys can go back and check out everything. We are currently up right now $8,700. That's a fucking beauty. That's a beauty. That's a beauty. What should we take now, guys? Is there another setup you guys want me to take? We could probably take these interior highs, to be honest. Oh, fuck. Let me not do that. No need to reanalyze the market. We already did our analyzing pre-market. So no need to reanalyze. Get analysis paralysis like a lot of you guys like to do, bro. I think that you guys just have to stay. Do your analysis. and stick to it, because once you execute on a position, you start to think differently. The trade takes over your mind, and if the trade takes over your mind is going to take over your decisions, okay? So always make sure that you guys are trying to stay consistent on your trading plan, and that's it. Your pre-market analysis is what you guys wanted to happen, okay? Once the market starts to open up and create highs, create lows, it starts to mess up with your judgment, okay? Like say you, bro. What did I tell you guys, man? I knew it was gonna fucking come down around this area here. But there wasn't a level there I wanted. Look, we eventually did come up to the level that I was saying, though, because we didn't quite get up to that level there. But then we did. And now we're pushing lower. Let's take a look. What do we have over here to the left, though, guys? Because we do have to be patient and wait and see how we looking over here. So we can definitely see something over here. Potential targets, this area over here, which is based off the 2-hour time frame, which is a pretty high time frame here, guys. So that is a nice target. The problem is the entry zone. Do we want to execute way down in the zone? I don't think so. What? What is that? Ooh, hell yeah. But baby, make sure you put like protein.
What I put?
Like shrimp. I know. Thanks, baby. I've been on my health arc. But what did I try if you guys care about health? Or do you guys not think health as well? I've been on my health arc, man. I've been going to the gym, been eating right, you know, because I was getting a little chunky, guys, not gonna lie. Not saying I was unhappy being chunky. I like being chunky because I get to eat whatever I want, but chunky, man, chunky. Damn, my girl's making me a tortilla, guys. Guys, does your girl cook for you? Health is wealth, yo, facts. Facts. 200 push-ups every day. I love that. The only reason why I don't like push-ups though is because it's fucking boring, bro. You know, just going up and down, up and down. I just like going to the gym, man. I feel like the gym is a lot funner. You wish your girl cooked for you? Yeah, my girl cooks for me, bro. My girl's number one, bro. I'm sure you guys feel your girl's number one too, so I'm kind of biased, but hey, that's my lady, man. She had my kids, so she deserves everything. Yeah, but you can do different types of push-ups. Yeah, you're right. I used to be like doing calisthenics and shit, but honestly, not my thing. You're the first trader that I follow since 2023. Let's go, bro. Shout out to you, Samu. Shout out to you, Samu. And notice, Samu, I haven't changed my strategy. All this time, I haven't changed my strategy, chat. If you guys can't replicate my strategy, guys, you guys see it, bro. You know, I know I've only been on stream 2 days, but this is what I do off stream. Like, what I do on stream is how I trade off stream. And if it's days like this where I'm having multiple setups at their entries, you know, I'm gonna take each trade. Now, of course, notice how if I would have lost my first trade, I would have been done for the day. But since I won my first trade, now I can lower my risk on my second trade and let the probabilities of my strategy play out for the remainder of the day. Now, if I would have lost the second trade, I probably would have been done for the day. Why? Because I took a first trade, I was up in profit 5K, or 6K, I think it was. Then I lost. If I would have lost my second trade, I would have been only in profit about $2,500 for the day. That's still a winning freaking day, bro. Like, let's do 200. Let's see, 2,500 times 21. If I can average 2,500 on winning days, right? If I can average 2,500 on winning days per month, it's 52K a month times 12, 630K a month. You get me? Usually my winning days are a little bit bigger than that though. But then my losing days are a little bit bigger too though. So average, I can average around $2,500 a day. That's what I want. It would be beautiful. You know? 630K a year, bro. That's realistic numbers. You know? After 6 years of trading. Almost 7 years now. 7 years in August. So, takes time to get up to these numbers, but you know, and then you got fucking Trades by Size saying he fucking made 21 million. You know how much that is a day? Let's say 21 million divided by 12. It's 1.7 million a month divided by 21. He makes 83,000 a day. Yeah, put a 1 in the chat if you guys believe that shit. Put a 2 in the chat if you guys don't. 83K a day, bro. On average. Actually, he said he made 21 million in one trade, bro. Not even 21 million a year. That's nutty. It's cap, right? Yeah, I think it's cap too, chat. I think it's cap too, chat. More money to make. Yeah. I see it. I think whoever believes that, guys, is just selling you dreams, bro. And when you get sold dreams, you take trading, you make trading different, right? Like, I want you guys to be profitable $1 a day, then $10 a day, then $1,000 a day. You get me? But you have to work your way up, bro. You know? You gotta work your way up to that. And I think each one of you guys can definitely do it. You just gotta be realistic, you know? And when you are realistic is when you're gonna be able to really shine. Oh, I gotta change my insurance here. Chat, what car do you guys drive? Yo, Emmett. 3 for 3 today. 4 for 4, back on stream. What do you think about that, buddy? Should we bring Emmett on here? Chat, should we bring Emmett on here? Maybe he can give you guys some sauce and talk about his fucking funded hero payout that's about to fucking hit. Emmett's probably top 10 most consistent traders on funded hero for sure. You guys want to see his stats? I'm kidding. I'm not gonna do you like that. But it's fucking fire. His stats are fire. It's not even exposing him. It's exposing him in a good way. But I can't show you guys because that's a breach of privacy, man. Breach of privacy. Yo, do you know Daniel Savage? Yeah, I kind of came up with him, bro. Emmett. He worked his way up from being homeless to 20 mil a week in 3 years. Bro, that's the dream, man. That's the dream, chat. Chat, is that not the dream? That's the problem. He's selling you guys dreams. And then you're gonna think those dreams are fucking real. And then you're gonna fucking over leverage on your account. And you're gonna lose all your money. I wish I drive a white Ferrari one day. One day, buddy. One day. Emmett, come on, bro. Come on stream. Come on stream, Emmett. I'm top 2. I'm not 2. Chat, put a W in the chat if you guys want to see Emmett come on stream, man. W in the chat if you want to see Emmett come on stream. I'm waiting for this gold setup to play out here. Gold setup. Yo, let's take a look at oil, guys. Wait, chat, I'm curious. Do you guys have your shit set up like this? Look how beautiful my shit's set up. So I have my daily watch list, which is what I normally trade. Which GJ shouldn't even be on there. I haven't taken a trade on GJ since like fucking 2 years ago, but... So GJ, I have like all of these. I have futures. I have FOREX. This should low-key go up though. Oh my god, I just fucked up my whole shit, bro. Crypto, BTC, Ethereum. You know, I got all my shit there. I got minis when I'm on my when I'm on my futures arc. Yo, you see, they want you on here, I mean, and you're letting them down, bro. It's crazy, bro. I'm not surprised though, bro. I'm not surprised. I am not surprised, chat. Chat, I'm gonna drop a poll right now for y'all. Bro, years ago, you was posting more stories on Instagram about everything. I know, bro. Ever since I had a family, bro, I'm just kind of more private a little bit. But maybe you guys want me to get back to it? My life is just very chill now. You know, like before I was partying like crazy. I guess you guys would think of it as more fun, you know? But I have kids now, bro. I have a wife, you know? I have a very chill life now. I trade, focus on my businesses, focus on my family. That's pretty much it. So, you guys might think I fell off because of that, but I think I'm living a way funner life than I was before. I'm way happier now. I'm way healthier now. I have my priorities straight, you know? I think I'm living the life that I dreamed of. So, everything is going amazing right now. So, love that, you know? You guys should be happy for me. Now, I can show you guys that side of me. I don't mind that. I just feel like it's boring for you guys, you know? Things changes in life. Yeah, facts. I'm just getting older, bro. I can't just party all my life, you know? Although some people find it fun. Like, of course, I do have my moments, you know, like when Emmett's in town and shit. Emmett, Parce, when they're in town, I do have some fun, but I think my life is very fun, bro. I get very rewarded with being around my kids every day, and taking care of them, teaching them stuff, you know. That's where I found my happiness, bro. Losing day or. All right, guys. Let me know what you guys are on the poll on the horizontal stream, guys. I want to know what you guys are thinking there. Boom, 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 bang, bang, soup. You know what's crazy? That GJ has been stuck here since yesterday, bro. Like, what the hell is going on, bro? What a nice move, though. Higher highs, higher lows. Higher highs, higher lows. Higher highs, higher lows. Higher highs, higher lows. What's gonna happen when we break the high? Clearly a fucking higher high. It's so simple, bro. That's the true beauty. I think you guys are I think a lot of you guys try to overcomplicate trading when it's really not that complicated, guys. Alright, and we do have a giveaway to do today, chat. We do have a giveaway to do today. Make sure you guys check the description for that. We do have a giveaway, though. Lose 5K on gold, man. Damn. 5K on a funded? What, you try to take buys, bro? W's. Damn, 60% of you guys had a winning day. That's amazing, bro. Shout out to the 9% of you guys that got break-even days. That's amazing, guys. Losing days, good too, guys. Just make sure you guys are journaling those trades and really understanding why you lost the trade, you know? I think that's going to be number one, you know? How many are you giving today? I don't know. How many you guys think I should give? How many giveaway accounts you guys think I should give? I mean, bro, the odds are pretty good. There's only 50 people in the chat, so. All right. Damn, okay. Look at this, chat. Wait. Wait. Oh, how do I do this? Look at this, chat. We got some blueberries, some mandarins, We got nata sauce. If you guys know, shout out to all my Hispanics out there. We got nata sauce, you know, and we got quesadillas with shrimp. Shrimp quesadillas, chat. Shrimp quesadillas, bro. Come on, G. Come on, G. Come on, G. W wife in the chat. W wife in the chat. Wow. Delicious, guys. Delicious, chat. I noticed that this has to be over here. Oh no. It has to be over here. Too long ago. Chat, where you guys from? Where you guys from, chat? Where are you guys from, chat? USA, North Carolina, nice. Pakistan. How's the sauce, bro? Not that sauce, bro. So good. Search it up, guys. Not that sauce. It's Venezuelan. I'm from Brazil, but living in Denmark. Nice. How the heck did you find yourself in Denmark? Shout out to all my Kenyans. Philippines, Indonesia. Man, we got people from all over the place, bro. Shout out to all you guys. Guys, remember, in order to be a part of the giveaway, check the description. We're going to do it shortly. All over the world, back. Volume is just dying here today, chat. Nas 100, beautiful trade, guys. We killed it on that one. We took the buys and the sells, bro. We had some balls today, chat. I gotta remind myself that it's easy money. Bro, trust me, guys. There's a lot of people out there, bro, that are freaking drilling holes, digging holes, building shit in the heat. We're in air conditioning, on our computer, grinding. Couldn't ask for a better life, man. You know what I mean, chat? The hero community, yo, facts. Wealthy. Nas 100. I'm trying to find a trade here for y'all. What should we trade, chat? Chat, what's a good market out there that you guys are staring at? What's a setup you guys are waiting for? Maybe you guys can help me catch a trade, bro. Bro, how are you, bro? I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. I'm doing amazing, bro. Really, God, I know. Funded Hero gang, yo, facts. Funded Hero gang. FHX gang. One per person. We're gonna do a giveaway here soon, chat. I still check. To the people that have FH, leave a good review for the guys. They deserve it on Trustpilot. Yo, bro, please. That would help big time, guys. That would help. Yeah, who struggles with patience when it comes to trading? I want to know. Bro, this is so good, bro. I'm actually so satisfied. Now after this, I'm gonna hit the gym. Answer a bunch of emails I got. Oh, guys. I also have blackberries. I love blackberries. You guys fuck with blackberries? I want to know. I want to see if, bro, if we break this low here, how big is this range? Fuck, it's not big enough though. Like, I have to get a sniper entry. So guys, we can do 5 giveaways or 2 instant funded giveaways. What do you guys want? I don't, bro. I really don't, but I will. My shit gets blown up, bro. This is looking good, bro. Gambler candle sells, guys. Do we risk it for the biscuit? Let's see. Yo, guys, I think we're gonna do the giveaways a little bit differently though, bro. Like, I noticed that a lot of people pull up just for the giveaways, bro. I don't really fuck with that shit. I'm only gonna give it to like regular viewers, bro. What do you guys think about that? Like, actually people who help me stay engaged in the chat, you know? I think that those are the people who deserve it, guys. What do you guys think? Yo, facts, Patty. Patty, I think Patty has won more of my giveaways than anyone else, bro. Patty, how many giveaways have you won? I think we've lost count at this point. Let's get instant, man. Funded Hero customers. I like that too, though. You gotta support me. Support my company, man. Just kidding, guys. The company doesn't need any support, bro. The company's doing fucking amazing, guys. Like, actually, it's insane how big Funded Hero's gotten. We have like over 40,000 traders. It's amazing, guys. People who stayed with you are many. Like $300 for sure. Only? I'm just kidding. Let's take a look. So glad you helped me a lot. Still, I appreciate you. I appreciate you too, Patty. I got my referral link yesterday, guys. Yes, you remember, guys. You guys, if you guys have a trading community, like your friends, your trading groups, all this stuff, you guys can literally make money with FundedHero. They're buying challenges already. Just go sign up to be an affiliate, grab your link, and send it to all your friends. Once they're on your link, you're literally getting paid for every single challenge that they make. And it doesn't mean you're putting them in a terrible situation. You're not. They're already buying the challenge, so might as well buy the challenge from your link, from your code. Dollar man, give out to your followers who always stay with you for over 2 hours. I've followed both IG and Twitter and never won. What do you guys think? You guys think Omar deserves one? I think he does. We gotta do it randomly, guys. Let me see if I can set something up to where... Oh, look, there's a way to do active chatters giveaway. All right, guys, this is gonna be for... I don't know if I want to do it yet, because we don't know. You got, let me ask. Let me ask y'all. We are all active watchers. Well, it's gonna know. It needs to be active chatters. Doing a double stream from Twitter, YouTube is quite ahead of time. Yes, sir. Do you know if does the Twitter chat go crazy in there or no? Not really, right? What giveaways do you want? You want 2 instant funded. 2 instant funded, 5 challenge. It's well, but I remember I have been in your Telegram for more than 9 months, and now and on your Instagram, I can't even remember. Yeah, that'll be better. You changed your candle close. I know. Yo, facts, bro. I always change my candle colors, bro. I kind of like this one just because it's very simple for people to understand. But who remembers the white candle days or the black candle days? It used to help me a lot with psychology. I think they look clean, bro. You guys don't fuck with this? I remember I used to fuck with that, bro. That shit's cool. I like it a lot. You have started approaching my buy zone. Dude, you be taking in wild trades, bro. But I believe in you, man. I remember all the candle days, yo, facts. What is 0.25 lots in NAS 100? Oh, guys, if you go to FHX, look. Let me show you guys what we got. Why I trade with this broker. It's so fire, bro. Oh, we haven't It's not on there yet. Oh, okay, but look, if you guys go to fhxmarkets.com, look, and you guys scroll down, these are the account types that we got. But you have a position size calculator right here. See? So let me see if I can put NDX. Oh yeah. So don't worry. I am gonna add indices to the one in the dashboard though. It should be done shortly, guys. It should launch soon, is what they were telling me. Wait 1 second, guys. Out here cracking pills, bro. Reminds me of my old days. Just kidding. Honey. Okay. White candle days. Remember when I used to get up? Do you guys like white background or black background? Let me see. Let me see black background. Ooh, this is low-key kind of clean, not gonna lie. I just feel it turns off the energy here. I like it white. Oh, you guys remember the white candle days though? That was legendary. Shout out to everyone who actually remembers that shit. The white candle days, bro. I don't know if I like it though, chat. I kind of want to just keep it simple. Bruh. We're back, chat. We're back. I like this. Man, we know candle colors and backgrounds illustrate the ability to trade real facts. I follow you on Instagram. Thank you. What's up? What's up? Black and blue, white candles. Yeah, that's fire. Yo, did you buy? Did you end up buying? Cause that shit's going up right now. Who was that? Not a fan of the black candles? Damn. Who said that they were gonna buy? That it was coming to their buy zone. I wonder where that buy zone actually was. Oh, bro, it's this fair value gap right here, huh? I notice a lot of people are trading fair value gaps and shit nowadays. Didn't touch your shit. Or did it? Looking forward to being a part of the firm, brother. And the broker. Before trading, what you was doing? I lived in a trailer park, man. Lived in a trailer park, bro. Dollar man, 5 challenges are great. Your advice yesterday helped me take 4 trades on my new 5K account for W's. You actually don't have 5K, but you have whatever your drawdown is. Switch lot size now. Nice. Yeah, man. I think a lot of people want to like a 100K account and think that they have a 100K account. They have a 10K account. you know, they have 10K in drawdown to play with. So it's about how you use that 10K drawdown to make sure that you get it to where you want it to be. To create more opportunities and chances. Yeah. So when it comes to like risk management, right? Let's talk about risk management here. So let's say let's do live account risk management. So for live account risk management, right? Let's say I have a $10,000 account, right? 10K account. What is my goal I want to make with this 10K? So there's two goals. There's a flip goal, right? Which looks like this. If you want to flip your account, you want to trade 10% of the account size. And then slowly, as your account starts to build, right? So 10% of this account size is 1,000, right? 1,000%, $1,000. But let's say you flip the account to, 1,200, right? Now your 10% of 1,200 is 1,200, and then that's how you're gonna flip this account. You don't have to go crazy and flip the account all in one fucking trade. I found that this is the best way for me to flip an account, right? So 2 trades, I'm already risking 1,200 from my original 10K balance. Now, let's say I want to, instead of flipping an account, right? I have a 10K account, right? I want to grow slowly. Meaning I want this account to be my safe account. I want to pay my bills with this account. I want to be smart with this account. Well, at this point, bro, what are you making at your regular job, right? If you're making $100 a day, if you're making $200 a day, whatever it is that you're making a day, let's say I'm making $300 a day, right? So that's still 3% of this account size, right? 3%. But now you're replacing your job's income with this 10K account. Now you don't have to risk 10% if you're making $300 a day at your regular job. You just need to risk 3%. And at that point, you can now become a full-time trader. So I see a lot of traders rushing this process, bro. Like they want to do this. But guess what? I've seen more traders, flip their account. They probably flip it once, twice, 3 times, but they blow it, 20 times. And their overall career is in drawdown. I've seen more people become successful doing this strategy, which is the growth slowly, because less risky. And more stable. I don't even want to write this off, but and this is from a person who sees all types of traders, right? I see consistent traders, I see losing traders, I see all the data from all traders. I have access to the data from all traders, guys. That's why I have this information. So guys, account flippers, they might be able to show you one account that they flipped, right? They might show you one account that they flipped or 2 accounts that they flipped, right? But at the end of the day, they're not showing you the 10 accounts that they blew. That is the key, bro. How many accounts did he blow before flipping that account? Now, let's say you flipped the 10K account, right? To let's say 20K, right? 100% flip, right? Let's say he blew 3 accounts though. Blew 3 accounts. He's down 10K in his career. So like they might show you a big return, but overall they're down most of the time, chat. Most of the time. So just be smart and don't do that, you know? Alright, we're gonna do 5 challenge account giveaways, chat. The way I'm gonna do it is I'm gonna go to my FHX dashboard and see what's going on here. See who has signed up. And then I'll send it to your guys' email. Alright. Okay, so FX, no, we're not gonna do FX Ronnie. So FX Rodney, you are one winner. FX Rodney. Kirkmiller. What's your email, Kirkmiller? Guys, let's do something else. Just FXOG. So FX Rodney, FXOG. And guys, put your emails in the chat so I can match them here. Put the first part of your emails in the chat, okay? It has to be a Gmail, guys. It has to be a Gmail. Put the first part, okay? I'm already thinking it's a Gmail, okay? Put the first part of your Gmail in the chat. So everything before the @ Omar does deserve it. I'm gonna give Omar one. Omar, put your Gmail in the chat. Zay, you won one yesterday. I would give it to you, but you won one yesterday. Genie, I got you, Genie. Alright. That's what we're gonna do. Let me see here. Where's Omar? Yo, what's up, Michael? How you doing, brother? Michael, check WhatsApp whenever you get a chance, Brody. I'm picking, guys. I'm picking. Bro, where the fuck is Genie at? Where the fuck is Genie at? Genie Montero. Okay, gotcha. I'm looking for Omar. What's good, FOREX Rebel? How you doing, brother? J Trades. J Trades. Okay. Yeah, I got you, but bro, not literally back to back 2 days in a row, bro. I got you though. I think I'm gonna do it a little bit easier. Yeah, make sure you guys are liking and something. Thank you, buddy. All right, you guys have to type actively in the chat. So put your I like this guy, Mears. All right, we need 2 more giveaways, chat. 2 more giveaways. You guys have to type in the chat. Type in the chat. Type in the chat. Let's watch this, guys.
We're always going to have our emotions hijack our thinking process, no matter what it is. Like, for me to say, oh, we're going to eliminate your emotions means you're not going to be human. Like, that's impossible. So let's get the idea that we're going to remove emotions out of the picture. The idea is to have a proper framework or structure that helps you avoid making rules. Like, for example, there's a law. The law exists that, hey, if you break the law, you get punished. What is the law? So now that goes into your rules. So your rules have to be around.
Damn, this is 2 hours and 50 minutes long, bro. What's up with that?
Some of the problems and impulses you're having. So the first thing I'll tell you that's really
What's up with that?
good is you know what the problem is.
Bad actors, fake results, and strategies hidden behind paywalls. But in every industry, every once in a while becomes a catalyst, a moment in time for change. Now imagine a world
across a consistent size, right? Because if you have a strategy that sucks, and then you have 1 good trade or 2 good trades or 5 good trades with more size, you're profitable, you go, oh wow, this is a good strategy. That's not, to me, a good strategy. You have to have consistent risk on that. So if you take
more.
Yeah.
All right. So my name is Robert Thomas III. Everybody calls me R3.
R3, nice.
I've been exposed to the market for the past 6 years, gambling with the market 5 out of those 6 years. And this last year, I've been fully locked in, focused, trying to track my data and all those different things. So that's back.
Okay. Never mind, guys. Just join with your broker. Nice. All right, Wagwan. Bro, what happened to Omar? Where's Omar at? I'm literally gonna give him a fucking giveaway account and he just doesn't freaking talk now. He doesn't freaking talk now, man. Arunsko, I haven't seen you here all stream, bro. You guys have to show up on time and be with me all stream in order to win a giveaway, bro. I think that's the fairest freaking way to do it, dude. What do you guys think? Omar, where are you, bro? How is Omar gonna leave, bro? Like, this is why he doesn't leave. He doesn't win, bro. I jumped FH on Emmett's stream way back already. You gotta join again, man. Just kidding. He might be in chat. He's not here, dude. Alright, I think this guy Amino wants one really, really bad, so I'm gonna get it for him. Alright, 1 more giveaway, guys. 1 more giveaway. Fucking, I gotta drink this. FHX got trade locker very soon. Wait, where is he? Let's see. Who's gonna win, chat? Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Okay, TJ. TJ, you win, brother. Alrighty. And guys, I'm gonna be checking if these winners have signed up to the links down below. Once I check that, all accounts will be sent and you guys can confirm with us tomorrow. Okay, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay. Before we get off, before we get off, let's review what we did today on stream, and then we'll call it a day here, okay? So we took 3 trades on stream today, guys. So whoever came in a little bit late, you guys missed out on 3 trades. You guys missed out on the first trade, which was US30 sell position. Okay, so pretty much what we were looking at was on the 1 minute time frame. I wasn't looking at the 1 minute time frame, I was looking at the 5 minute time frame. But on this 1 minute time frame, we executed based off of this candle here breaking the low here. Okay, so price came up, price then came down. We started to break its own low on the 3 minute time frame, pretty much flip bullish, then flip bearish. Then we executed our position. We caught about 50 pips on this one, or 50 points on US30, which is absolutely beautiful. This was actually the second trade. But if you guys are looking at why I took this trade, right? So let's pay attention to this. Lower low, lower high, lower low, retesting structure, right? Now we're coming down, retesting structure again. This is a strong retest point over here to the left. So price now reacts off that level, and now I'm just looking for an entry at that point. Okay, if I didn't get this reaction, I would not have taken the trade. Okay, so we made about 20. Oh, this was the second trade actually. But very clean structure play there. Nothing too crazy, nothing too difficult to understand. It's very, very simple. Okay, so again, guys, if you guys want to repeat this, it's very simple. We're just waiting for structure to continue or to break out of. Okay, so if we are noticing that, then we went to NAS 100. This was the first trade that we took today. We caught 100 points. We caught 100 points on NAS 100. So pretty much all we did was wait for the candle to come and break the high or the low. We were mainly interested in these lows, but market opened and started to push up. Price then closed above the range, and then we waited for this candle here to flip, and we executed the position based off that, just trying to go for that wick fill, and eventually caught 100 points on that position. Okay, then we called another trade, which was this sell position. We saw this candle close outside the range. I was ready to take an impulsive trade if I needed to. We did see a lot of drawdown on this position. I did move my stops just 9 points up just to be above this wick right over here. And price decided to continue the move to the downside. Caught about 56 points on that one is where I closed, but price did run all the way down to TP2. I was interested in taking sell positions underneath this low. Buys do look good to possibly continue up here with a 50-point stop loss. Would be good here, potentially to come up and into this range. We just need to make sure that we hold this area here. So I would wait for price to either close within this range, wait for a bottom wick, rejecting this zone, to then continue pushing up. But that's what we did today. We caught about 200 points on NAS 100, US 30 altogether, 0 losses. This is what you get on my stream consistently all the time. Okay, so make sure that you guys are pulling up tomorrow, same time, same place. Whoever is here from the beginning of stream all the way to the end of stream is how I'm going to be picking my giveaway winners. So make sure you guys are typing in the chat actively, keeping me entertained, so then I can give back to you guys. Okay, so absolute banger freaking day today. I appreciate all the support that you guys show me. You guys show me love, support, everything that I can ever ask for. You guys do it for me. So I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. I will see you guys next stream, and we're gonna absolutely kill it next stream. So nothing changes. Okay. Let's just continue the wave, guys. We gotta continue the freaking wave. If you guys won today or lost today, just make sure you guys are reviewing your setups. If you review your setups, you are going to win in the long term. Okay, I'm not saying that you're going to be a winner tomorrow. I'm not saying that you're going to be a loser tomorrow. I'm saying that you are going to get better over time. Okay, so just make sure that you guys are consistently being better. All right, love you guys. Peace.
200K, they told me the frost, rainbow face, they hope I fall off, ain't no way, I might be alright, but it ain't okay. Niggas got left, niggas went right, I went left and stay left, and ain't nothing the same. They run their lips, I put my purple and step in my foot in the pedal of rain. Spinning shit like I'm ahead of the game. You say they gon' drop and it better be flame. Lil' mommy gon' top, she gon' suck till I'm drained. My top 5 topper in love with her brain. Her across the sea, Hathens and Mickey Nose Grease, man, love me in Spain. Her kickin' P, land on the jet with a bitch with a big body frame. Just like a biker, rocket black. Margiela Loaf was the one with the lace. Put up the title, yeah, right. Don't think these little niggas really wanna race. I got that fire, I spit crap. I got that fence, gon' recite what I say. Came in a ladder, this ain't no threats. This a blue Scotty, I smoke to the face. Made it to the light, they still throwing shade. I was locked up taking chips for a trade. Turn the boss pay more than minimum wage. These blue hunters keeping my mental straight. Talking that got in the middle of the day. Ain't no human being determine my fate. The more I get it in, the more they gon' hate. That lit by the beans, I know what you pay. Yeah. Don't tell me I'm on one tonight. Yeah. Don't play with me, play with a mic. She second, stop at the light. These rappers ain't copying right. Get dressed and